And always make sure to do your research because plants are powerful, especially this one. Here what I have in front of me is a majestic 12-year-old Moringa tree. Planted in the year 2014. As you can see, it's huge and it is abundant. If you're not familiar with Moringa trees, I suggest you get to know them because I believe that these are going to be the future of nutrition. This tree is known as the tree of life. Many people in Africa and different parts of the world depend on this tree because they utilize every single aspect of it, from the leaves to the flowers to the pods. If you zoom in over here, you'll see a pod. It looks sort of like a green bean pod. It is still an immature pod. This can be eaten as well, be made into soups. But the seeds are very powerful. The seeds, you can use them to purify water, to turn any water into drinking water. They use the bark and they use the roots for medicinal properties. This tree is outstanding. The reason I planted it is because I wanted to have survival food just in case anything would happen, right? But this here, the leaves are a bit bitter, but they're packed with many nutrients and many minerals. So I highly suggest you grow this tree known as Moringa oleifera, and get familiar with this tree because you will for sure hear and see more of the beautiful, powerful properties of this tree in the near future. This one was one huge tree. Every year I come back and trim it, but ever since I planted it, it has just continued to keep on growing. And the flowers, they have nutritional qualities themselves. A bit bitter, beautiful, the bees love it, but full of nutrients. I will make sure to add some benefits of this tree in the description. If you go to a health food store, you will see supplements. And the supplements are simply the powders of this leaf. This leaf is a protein powerhouse packed with minerals, vitamins such as calcium, magnesium, chlorophyll, and fiber. Many people in different parts of the world depend on this tree for survival. It is also known as the tree of life. It is drought tolerant. It is very hardy. It can take our intense summers, and it is a bit sensitive during winter. And always make sure to do your research because plants are powerful, especially this one.